Last stop. Last stop on the 812. Last stop, sir. Everyone is to leave the train.
But I'm the only one. And I don't recognize this place.
I don't know what to tell you, sir.
Wait. I don't know where I am. Help me. Please. Hey, little one. Are you lost too? Where's your owner? Elfie. What an adorable name. No address. Now, who could you belong to? Wait! Hey, wait! Don't try to hold up there. I'm not young like you seem to be. You seem to know where you're going. Watch this. What is this place? Elfie? Where'd you go, girl? This feels familiar. I'm supposed to be here? I don't think those are the floorboards creaking. Better get my cane, huh? The kite. I remember now. Emily. We never did finish that, did we? But that's okay. No matter what we did, it didn't matter. I was just happy to be spending time with you. I remember dancing to this song with her. We could dance to it all night long. And we did. What a beautiful day today. Well, I should get outside and enjoy it. This is Sophie's writing, and she's called me the troublemaker.
Aren't you going to return your books, Soph?
That depends. Aren't you going to leave me alone?
You should return them.
And you should mind your own business.
They're not yours. They're the library's.
I'm not finished with them yet.
Enough, you two. I can hear you both from downstairs, for Pete's sake.
Bernard, aren't you coming outside? I need help in the garden.
Let's see what's for dinner tonight. Maybe I'll make some tea later. Just like Mom used to make. Oh, yuck, asparagus. More fun. My hair stopped growing long time ago. Better.
Bernard, eat your asparagus.
It's gross.
I agree. But don't you want to grow up big and strong like me?
Not if it means eating that.
You remind me so much of...
What still holds up after all these years?
Bernard, sit still.
Why is it taking so long?
Portraits require patience, little one.
But Mom...
Enough whining, young man. Now sit still, please.
This house could get so cold. I always loved it when Dad would come in with chopped logs, even after a hard day at work. Always the hero. Who's that handsome fella? Well, Mom did a better job with Sophie. Oh, but there again, she didn't fidget as much. It's harder to find places Sophie didn't travel to on this. Been meaning to get that darn lock fixed.
Bernard, will you please help me with my plants?
Elfie? Elfie, that's supposed to go around your neck. How did you... Never mind.
We were quite a match, weren't we?
Warlocks don't even have claws, Danny. Get out of here. I am the Crab Warlock!
Okay, clearly you can't be the warlock because you don't know what one looks like and sounds like.
Oh, so that's what you were looking for.
Maybe I'll play in my house a little later.
Bernard, are you there?
I've already claimed it. You can't have my seat.
The so-called mature one of the family here.
But I want to swing.
No. And Mom says you're not big enough.
No, she doesn't. Mom!
I'm staying out of this. Settle it yourselves.
Just one swing. Please, 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 please.
Okay. Jeez, you can have it later. You just have to promise you'll leave me alone for a little while.
I totally promise.
Just like you promised Mom you would help with the dishes last night.
That was different.
Still, I'll need something better than just your word.
What about my words?
Huh?
Here, I've been working on writing my name really hard. If I break my promise, you can keep it.
Okay, deal.
She always had a soft spot for me, no matter how annoying I was.
Bernard, my boy, I've been waiting for you. You? How about a fishing trip with your old man, eh? Grab that fishing rod and hop in the boat. Let's catch ourselves a big meal. Beautiful cast, Bernard. All we have to do now is wait.
For how long?
So impatient.
Well, the fish determine that, not us. While we wait, why don't I tell you a story, eh? There once was a small train that took the same route every day. It was happy with the route and didn't mind that it was the same day in and day out. But one day there was a terrible storm, and the little train could not see where he was going.
What happened to him?
Patience, lad. Just as we must wait for the fish, we must also wait for the story to be fully told. Now then, there was a powerful, terrible storm that swept through the land, and the train could not see his usual route. He chugged and chugged all night, but still was not sure where he was. By the time the storm cleared in the morning, he was lost.
Dad, I think I got one.
Easy there, lad. Slowly lower your rod while reeling it in. When the fish is pulling like that, just stop reeling for a bit. When it stops pulling, you start reeling again.
I think I got it.
Well, that fish is too small. We can't eat him.
But what does that mean?
It means we toss it back and try to catch a bigger one, eh? Now, where was I?
The train didn't know where he was and was very scared.
Oh, yes. The little train did not know where he was and was so scared. Mustering all the courage he had in him, he kept chugging along, hoping to find his usual route. As he chugged and chugged, he noticed a blue mountain to the west and practically fell off the tracks with joy. The mountain was on his route. But wait! It was on the wrong side.
Oh no!
Oh, yes. But the little train was not scared. He knew what to do. He chugged and chugged away, his eyes never leaving the mountaintop, since this was his safety, his home. As he chugged along, he began to look and wonder, had the mountaintop always been that beautiful? Had it always been that shade of royal blue? It was so magnificent. How could he have not noticed it before? As he gazed up at the mountain, he began to slow his pace and eventually simply stopped. He knew that it wouldn't move and that he would find his way back, but in this moment, he wanted to enjoy it in a way he never had before.
But why? Why didn't he just keep going? I would just keep going.
I know, lad. It's probably something you'll understand more when you're older.
I've got another one.
Nice job, lad. I hope it's a big one. I've got it. You make me so proud, Bernard. Your mother will be so happy now that fish is on the menu tonight.
That was my first memory. At least I think it was. Fishing with Dad. Yeah. I think I remember the smell the most. The lake. The bait and tackle box. Dad's cologne. Oh, yuck. You know, we always begged him not to wear it, but wear it he did, and now that's the only way I can think about him.
Mom!
Bernard, what's wrong?
Mom!
What's wrong, darling? Where's Elfie?
Mom,
It's okay, darling. Everything will be okay. I can help.
I was playing catch with Elfie over by that hill, and she ran off.
Bernard, look at me. It's okay, I promise. Park has a large fence around it, so she can't be too far. You better find her quickly because it's about to storm.
Okay.
Have I ever broken a promise that I've made you?
No.
Never.
I promise we'll find her, okay?
Okay.
What are we ever gonna do with that dog? She's just as much a troublemaker as you, wouldn't you say?
Mom could always save the day. I wish I'd told her that back then.
Now, show me where you were last playing with her. Excellent. Now, she couldn't have gotten too far from here.
Yeah, I'll go this way.
Hold on just a minute, Bernard. There's a better way. We have to put on our detective caps first.
But I don't have a detective cap.
It's just an expression.
Expression? Like feelings?
I have Mom to thank for my extensive vocabulary.
More like a saying. Now, we have to find Elfie's paw prints to see where she went.
Like a real detective.
Yes, I suppose so.
But I don't have a magnifying glass to look for the prints.
It's okay. You can just pretend for now.
Okay, I'll pretend to have a detective cap too.
Okay, whatever floats your boat.
You mean like when I go fishing with Dad?
No, it's just another one of those silly expressions.
No wonder I use those so much in my manuscripts.
I wonder why she decided to run off. At least her tracks are easy to follow.
She went that way. Let's go, Mom. Elfie! Come here, girl! Elfie, wait! Mom, why did she run away again? And does she not want to play with me?
On the con.